let's try this canopy now. I'm going to put the camera up there and come along. that's it for today. Enough snow clearing. We've got a few inches each and every day, maybe 2 feet in the last 2 weeks. So that's enough to make a decent snow pile. It's getting cold. You never know on camera the sizes, and you cannot see on the camera the slopes. It's difficult to see the sizes with a wide-angle camera like this. The case might look very small on the side, and I look bigger in the center. So to show you the snow pile actually is higher than the highest point of last year. I'm going to move the tractor just in front of the snow pile. While I'm doing that, then you will be able to see the end result of the canopy that I just finished with some light and all that stuff. Let's move the case. Okay, you know the case is not that small, so the canopy is at about 8 feet high. So you guess that the snow pile is maybe 12 feet high. Yep. I'm going to climb on the top of the canopy and show you that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Quick preview of the canopy. It was very interesting to make with Dave. A video coming up. I'm a little bit behind on edition. I didn't have published yet the part 2 of the quick hitch system at the back. It's been like 2 months we begin that. So Mike, I'm looking for your update. I know that you have very cold weather, but I'm still thinking that we get more snow than in Alaska. See you on the next one. As you can see, I put some amber light. I also added a 12-volt connection for the beacon light. And I'm very happy with that snow chute. It pretty much able to shoot almost vertical, so that's how I was able to make that snow pile so straight. So you can see the snow pile. I'm not going to go in between the tractor and this one because the snow pile is not very stable, and no joke, it's very heavy. We mean thousands of pounds of snow that can slide. So if it ever slide on the tractor, it's not that big deal, but not me between the tractor and the snow pile. For safety reason, I'm going to stay here. quick view to the quick hitch stem, a new shield here for the PTO shaft, a new PTO shaft with the safety cover. The only thing I would be left to do is to make another cover here on the snowblower side, and I should be pretty much safer than what I was.